Hey guys, Sam here from Cellotrend. Welcome back to the channel. So, you're thinking about starting your dropshipping business on Amazon, but unsure where to start. Well, then don't worry because in today's video, I'm breaking down on how to start your dropshipping business on Amazon. And don't worry guys, this will be a step-by-step guide. No risky shortcuts, no confusing jargons, just a guide that actually works. I'll also show you how to find high demand products with low competition using Cellotrend, the exact tool that the top sellers are using to crush it on Amazon right now. And as a bonus for you guys, this is going to be a 14-day free trial to Cellotrend, so you can check it out for completely free. Link will be in the description. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so step number one. Create your Amazon account, and once you're done with that, jump over to sellthetrend.com. The link will be in the description and claim your 14-day free trial. That's right guys, 14-day free trial, completely free. Now what you want to do is you want to click on start free trial now and just create your account, and once you're done with that, this is how the dashboard of Cellotrend is going to look like. Now let's jump on to our step number two. Alright, so the step number two is basically connecting your Amazon account with your Cellotrend account. So let's do that. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to click right over here, and then you want to click on create and add store. So let's do that. Now you want to click on Amazon, and marketplace is going to be United States, and then you want to click on connect your Amazon store. Now once you do that, it's actually going to take you to Amazon, so make sure you are actually logged in your Amazon account. It's very important. Now if you want, you can read all of this and then simply click right over here and then click confirm. And that's it guys, that's literally it. Your account has been connected to Cellotrend, and that's how easy it is. So let it load, and there you go guys, the connection has been successful. Now let's move on to our step number three. Okay, so in case if you're wondering what step number three is guys, it's basically just finding products using Cellotrend. So till now we have created our Amazon account, we've created our Cellotrend account, and we have connected both of them. Now it's actually time for us to put some products onto our Amazon account. So for that, we are going to use Cellotrend. So let's jump on my screen and I'll show you how to find amazing products using Cellotrend. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and find ourselves a winning product. So let's click on Cellotrend right over here, and it's going to take us back to the dashboard of Cellotrend. Now on the left side of the screen, you can see a variety of tools that can help us to find winning products, and for this video I'm going to use Nexus AI, and the reason for that is this tool uses AI to help us find winning products. And guys, this is 2025, this is the age of AI, so why not use AI to help us find amazing winning products? So let's go ahead and click on Nexus AI products. Now we have a variety of filters that can really help us to find amazing winning products, really narrow down our research. Now the first filter that I absolutely love is the top in states. So if you're gonna click on states, now it's going to show you all the products that are performing really well within the United States marketplace. For example, we have this one product. It's actually a electronic digital caliper. So you're going to click on product research, and then Cellotrend is going to give you all the relevant information that you need. For example, the orders, the product cost, the selling price, the profit margins, total sales, number of suppliers, store sellings, and even the products inside as well. And guys, that's not it. Scroll down, click on suppliers, and here you go. You can actually find a supplier as well using Cellotrend. It is that simple. So everything is just given to you. We've got a great supplier actually. He's got a decent number of reviews, decent number of sold. That's really cool. Now let's head over back to Cellotrend. So let's say that okay, you like this product. Now what you want to do next is simply click on add to store. Watch this guys, how amazing this is. Select your Amazon account, right? Now once you do that, the fulfillment source is automatically in a setup. So it's done. Now what you want to do is, if you want to change your supplier, then you can simply click on custom source and add in any supplier that you have. Might be from AliExpress or even from CJ Dropshipping as well. But in case if you don't have a supplier, then don't worry, because Cellotrend is going to give the supplier to you by default, so don't worry about that. You can also set the shipping options as well, depending which province of course you want to ship to. All of that can be done here, and then you can also change pricing here as well. So once you're done with everything, I'm going to click on push to store. And that's literally it guys. It is actually pushing the product to your Amazon account. So give it a few seconds and it's done. It's done. So now what you're going to do is you want to click right here, and then you want to click, of course you want to pick your store. Let me go ahead and do that. So now I want to click on store manager. Now the reason why I want to do that is because I want to take a look at the product that I just sent to my Amazon account. and it's actually going to be in the pending section. As you guys can see, this is our product. Now it's going to take like 5 to 10 minutes, and then your product is actually going to be uploaded to Amazon. Now guys, this is how simple it is to use Seller Trend to find products and move them to your Amazon account. Okay guys, all right, so it's time for us to move on to step number 4. And in step number 4, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the best suppliers that you can work with for your Amazon dropshipping business. So let's do that. Right guys, so step number 4, the most important step. And I'm not kidding guys, pay attention please, because this is very, very important. So we would be doing FBM, which means fulfillment by the merchant. It means that we will be actually sending the product to our customer, not the FBA, which stands for fulfillment by the Amazon. That means that Amazon is going to take care of the order delivery, and your inventory of course is going to be stored at the Amazon warehouses. So we're not going to do that because we will be drop shipping on Amazon. So what you want to do is you want to click on marketplaces, again on Sell the Trend. Click on marketplaces. If you want to find suppliers using AliExpress, then click on AliExpress. And if you want to go and find suppliers using CJ Dropshipping, then you can click on CJ Dropshipping as well. But let's click on AliExpress, and then you want to click on ships from, and this is where things get interesting. You want to click on United States all methods, or you can even click United States fast. And then guys, it's going to show you all the suppliers that are actually based within the state. So imagine you have a supplier and he's based in China. That supplier is actually going to send the product to your customer in 20 days. So your customer is using Amazon to get a product delivered to him within 20 days. That is crazy. You're not going to be able to make any money at all. You need faster shipping times, and for that we have this amazing feature. So if you click on United States fast, it's going to show you all the products that are based in states. For example, look at this guys, ships from states. You only want to work with these suppliers guys, because they would give you the best shipping time. Okay, so let's go ahead and find ourselves some amazing products. If you like any product, you can click on charts. It's going to show you everything. And then again guys, if you like a product, so you're going to click on plus. And once you do that guys, again, you can literally add this product to your Amazon account within just seconds. So of course you want to change the pricing, change anything that you don't like, simply do that. And then once you're done, click on push to store. And that's it guys, this product is gonna be pushed to your store within seconds, of course. Now this is how you can literally find all these suppliers. Now every one of these suppliers you want to work with, because they can ship the products from within states, so your customer don't have to wait for weeks just to get their order, right? Of course they're using Amazon guys, they would want a better shipping timeline. So this is how you can use marketplaces. Now same thing with CJ Dropshipping as well. You want to click on CJ Dropshipping. Then again, you want to click on ships from United States, click on apply, and then it's going to show you all the products that you can actually get from within states. So 3 to 5 days of delivery. That is exactly what you need. So guys, that is how you can use marketplaces to find the right products for your Amazon store. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the product that we just imported to our Amazon account. And for that, you want to click right over here, and you want to make sure that you have selected the Amazon account, and then you want to click on store manager, and then it's going to take you to the dashboard where you can actually handle things. No, the best part about Seller Trend is that you can actually take a look at the orders, you can take a look at the notifications with your Amazon account, and you can even add people to your staff account. So if you want to add some VA or somebody for your family to your Seller Trends account, you can do that as well. Now let's take a look at our products. So you want to click on my products. And as you guys remember, this is a product that we just imported to our Amazon account. Now what you want to do is you want to click on view product, and once you do that guys, it's gonna take you to Amazon, and there you go guys, that is your product which has been uploaded to your Amazon account using Seller Trend within literally just seconds. That's how easy it is to use Seller Trend. Now you can use it to find products, you can use it to list the products, and you can even use it to do your order fulfillment as well, all in one place. Alright guys, so that is it for our video. Now if you want to find out the top 10-20 products to sell in the month of August 2025, then you can watch our next video right over here. Stay motivated guys, keep making those sales. I'll see you in the next video.